Finance leaders know that generative AI has huge potential. And while tools like ChatGPT and Claude can generate text or general advice, they can't ground the response in your business numbers. That's where the Drivetrain MCP server comes in. It acts as the secure bridge between your financial data in Drivetrain and the open world of AI, so you can safely bring your company's context into powerful AI workflows and unlock a whole new level of analysis and decision support. With Drivetrain's MCP server, any AI model that supports the Model Context Protocol, like the Claude desktop app, can securely connect to your financial data. This unlocks a new range of use cases, asking real business questions, benchmarking, even drafting insights or actions. I've set up the Claude desktop app and it's already connected to my Drivetrain tenant. Let's start with a simple question. What's my revenue per FTE? Claude interprets the request, fetches the metric from Drivetrain if it's available, and returns the values. If it's not available, it fetches revenue and headcount data and computes the metric. In this case, both revenue per employee and FTE metrics exist, so it maps the question directly to the right calculation. Next, Claude retrieves actual values for the year. For 2025, revenue per FTE started at around $193,000 in January, dipped in February, and then stabilized in the $168K to $170K range through April. In just a few clicks, you've gone from a business question to concrete numbers. But knowing your numbers is only half the story. The next step is context. How does this compare to industry benchmarks for companies of my revenue range, presented as a table? Claude automatically searches and consolidates up-to-date industry data, filtering for benchmarks most relevant to your company size and revenue tier, then lays them out in a structured table. Here, your company's $170K per employee is 31% above the private SaaS median of $129K, and within range for similar-sized SaaS peers. But it's 41% below the broader software industry average of $290K. Compared to Fortune 100 best companies, where revenue per employee is more than 8 times the market average, the gap is significant. In one view, you see both your relative strengths and a stretch targets worth aiming for. Finally, let's go a step further. How can I improve my revenue per FTE? Claude searches the web and curates a strategy playbook based on best practices, benchmarks, and your current data. The roadmap starts with quick wins like pricing tweaks. Bigger projects like diversifying products come next. Priorities such as customer success can be delegated where needed, and focus is maintained by cutting out distractions like non-strategic hiring. And this is just the start. If you connect additional MCP servers besides Drivetrain, you can go further. You could ask it to draft an email and send it to your leadership team or board with the Gmail MCP. Or with the Notion MCP, it could automatically update a shared page with this research. With Drivetrain's MCP server, your AI assistant moves from generic answers to actionable insights, powered by your financial data. That's how Drivetrain MCP can transform the way you work with AI, all in under 3 minutes. Powerful, yet simple.